Hey everybody, it's Kelly from Kelly's Magical Realm, and I came out to the Labyrinth today because it's beautiful fall weather, my favorite time, as well as the Halloween season, and I want to take you with me just for a little walk. You know, they say that labyrinths are really great for mindfulness, meditations, and they clear your chakras. Even though we're just going to take a little bit of a walk today, I'm going to put the link below for my longer labyrinth videos that I've done. But I wanted to do something today with the labyrinth because the energies lately have been pretty intense, and that's why I wanted to come here to really do some healing and cleansing the chakras. And it's such a perfect day today. Look at it here. There's a beautiful breeze, and there's an amazing little picnic going on over there too. But it's the perfect fall day today, so that's why I wanted to come out here and take you with me. Oh, if it was only fall every day. If I could find a place to live where it was fall every day. I moved to so many different places, but fall is my favorite. The great thing about these walking meditations in the labyrinth is really clearing your mind, cleansing yourself. Like I said, being mindful. And it's just so healing. It's so peaceful too out here. It's nice and quiet today. Pretty much the only one here, except for the lady with the picnic. Another cool thing is to go to labyrinths around like the new moon or the full moons. New moons are a good time to do your manifestations and, your intentions or wishes. A few times I made some really cool wishes and they came true just by going in the labyrinth. So that's another fun thing to do. It's making your wishes or intentions in here. I forgot to bring my sage. Usually I'll sage myself off before I come in. And I forgot it. Oh, I just saw some butterflies. I hope everyone's having an amazing weekend and doing well. And I just want to say thank you so much to all my subscribers and everyone who takes the time to watch my videos and comment and like. I really appreciate every single one of you. There was a butterfly again. That's my sign for spirit. I see a lot of butterflies, meaning transformation. A lot of transformation is going on right now in the collective and within myself. Be a little quiet now so that way you can really just enjoy this labyrinth. Here's my favorite part, right in the middle. I can't talk today, but this is where I usually make my intentions or my wish. You can silently make yours now with me if you'd like. I'm just going to sneak out of it because I want to show you this amazing picnic that this lady made. Isn't it the coolest thing you've ever seen? I thought it was amazing. It originally had a tent, but it blew away. But I'm going to stop here for today. Like I said, I just wanted to do a really quick video and say hi to everybody. And there's going to be a link below for my longer labyrinth meditations. Thank you for watching.